Hey there, Full-Time Freedom Team, my Fire Your Boss Club. I am so excited and so grateful for each of you. So there is so much going on. I just want to encourage you to take a moment to think of 3 things that you appreciate and desire of your personal team or your customers. So, like this, I am grateful for people that desire to use a product on a monthly basis. I am grateful that my team members are getting paid every week. I am grateful that I have team members that desire to be free. So just think of 3 things, or write down 3 things that you are grateful for or would appreciate from your customers or your team members. So guys, I literally have kept my business super simple. I basically trust God to bring me the right people at the right time. I do my little mustard seed of faith every day, and I invite at least one person that's open to taking a look at a video to do that or to go to a website. And so I really can't complicate this business because, like Tom Big Al says, network marketing is what we do every day. Most people just don't get paid. So I want to encourage you to keep it as simple as it is and use it for what it is. A way that you can literally change your life in a very simple way. So have a fun day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My website is totally free. .biz. My phone number is 618-223-6006. If you have any questions or want to connect, I look forward to talking to you. Have a wonderful day. God bless.